Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your WooCommerce store with Google Analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your WooCommerce store with Google Analytics, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Insights. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, go to the Monster Insights menu in your dashboard. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. Select the Authenticate with your Google account button. Sign in with your Google account that is linked to Google Analytics. Grant the required permissions for the plugin to access your Google Analytics data. After authentication, select the appropriate Google Analytics property for your WooCommerce store. Click on Complete Authentication to finalize the process. Next, enable eCommerce tracking by navigating to the Tracking tab within the Monster Insights settings. Check the box next to Enable eCommerce Tracking. To verify your setup, click on Save Changes. Open a new tab and go to your Google Analytics account. Select the property associated with your WooCommerce store. Navigate to the Real-Time section in Google Analytics. Open your WooCommerce store in another browser window to generate real-time traffic data. Make sure you see your own activity reflected in the real-time report. If the activity appears, you've successfully verified your WooCommerce store with Google Analytics. To enhance tracking, consider setting up goals for conversions. Repeat this process whenever you add new properties or change domains. Your WooCommerce store is now fully integrated with Google Analytics for insightful data analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.